back again with another video. I'm going to take these off right now. Before I get started, I want everybody to like, subscribe, share this video with and everybody that you know. Let them know that Queen of Trades is in the house. Okay, so tonight, mukbang, or whatever the heck you call it. We about to get it in on some chicken. As you can see, I got chicken here. I got some celery. I got my salad. I double back on that salad from the last video with my cucumber strips. If anybody want to see that, I love it. And this is what I was trying to show you guys last time with the olives. See how the olives have the red? I don't think I'm doing it right. I have the red inside. The Spanish olives. Nobody probably really care about that, but yeah, I love them. I love this olives. I got my smiley fish cup with some 7-Up in it tonight. And tonight, we're going to be getting down on this milder jalapeno Tabasco. As you can see, the green bottle John. I got this off of Prissy P page. I saw her and her brother. Man, I saw them eating this stuff. And it looked like it was so good on some chicken. I said, boom, I gotta try it. So, okay, let's get started. I'm gonna put this on one by one on my pieces of chicken because I don't have that much stuff. As you can see, I've been going in on this stuff. So, yeah, so I'm gonna just put this on a couple pieces. As y'all can see, got a good amount of chicken on my plate. And before we get started, let's put the plate. Or, let me see. So the chicken is hot. It feels some good. I wish you guys could see the smoke coming off of this. It is so freaking hot. Whew. Right, my bread. I would have made a side, but I didn't want to have too much carbs, and I wanted some bread, so I left it out. So again, I'm rocking with the jalapenos, the romaine lettuce, and cucumbers, and the crouton. For my salad. This is so hot, but so good, so delectable. This is a fried chicken. Queen style. Don't get me wrong. I love Popeyes, Kentucky Fried Chicken, and tons of other chicken places, but nothing beats my chicken. I love it. I rock out on the fried drumsticks. I like wings, but it's a little bit of chicken on it, and it's expensive. I just refuse to spend almost $20 for a pack of chicken wings. So I rock it out with the drumsticks. It's cheaper. And you're more full when you eat. Have a family of 4. 3 meals, so I gotta make sure these guys are fed. Nobody should ever walk up from the table still hungry. That's a crime to me. So QTs, what's been up with you? What you been up to? What you guys been doing? I just been busy trying to get as many videos out as I can, as soon as I can. I hope everybody's doing all right. I never, you should really try these Spanish olives. If you like olives, you'll probably already eat these anyway. I just like I use so many napkins when I'm on a video. Trying to make sure you ain't got a bunch of stuff on your mouth. Cause I'm gonna be honest, I'm getting full already. I didn't even eat a piece of celery. I didn't have any blue cheese. I love the blue cheese. Don't want to leave it on his bone. And yes, I eat the gristle. Don't judge me, judge yourself. Yes, I do eat that gristle. I don't waste over here. If you want to waste, this ain't the place. Because we don't waste over here. Now today, I had, I ate one time a day, but really light. These mukbangs, man, you really can't. I'm never gonna eat like a whole bunch of food. I just can't. Maybe throughout the day, but, excuse me, for the most part, you can see I'm belching. Been having soda, so maybe that can help. This is the weirdest thing. Anytime I start eating something spicy, my ears start to itch. I'm not lying. I might have had too much jalapeno juice in my sandwich. But yeah, guys, I don't even know if I can eat with a piece of chicken, but I gotta eat these olives. Fruit olives and cucumbers. I'm not ready to do a ASMR video yet. I'm working my way to that. Surely this food won't go to waste. I just make my last spoon. So I do like to dip it. Dip it. Alright, this video wasn't long at all. I ate what I could eat. As you can see in my bowl, just jalapenos. And I got to show my fish plate. Once again, the Tabasco sauce, as you guys can see, This is the milder jalapeno Tabasco. It comes in a green bottle. That's how you know this is the one. Especially if you really don't like spice. And my nose is running. Because I had jalapenos plus jalapeno Tabasco sauce. Yeah. Like I said, I noticed this on Prissy P page. I love Prissy. I watched her page. Her and her brother, they was eating chicken one night and they was using this sauce. I mean, this Tabasco sauce. And I don't really buy Tabasco sauce once in a while. Try to get into the spice, but I'm just not a spicy kind of girl. So, pretty much, this stuff is right. This is like regular hot sauce taste, but it has like a different flavor. My kids, they like hot sauce. They don't really care for this. But it's cool. That means it's more for me. And, yeah. So, once again, I want you guys to like, subscribe, share this video with any and everyone you know. That your girl's over here doing mukbangs like crazy. Boom. Until next time, if you haven't subscribed yet, come along and join the QT band and be a QT. Hang out with your girl, Queen of Trades. And just remember, the music that you hear in the beginning, at the end of the video, is my one and only lovely husband, Lee Mims Production. You can find him on YouTube.